Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. Sometimes we develop a SQLite database project. We need to see the table on our laptop or computer, but there is no any direct facility in the Android Studio to see that. Although we can use some plugins, but they are also paid. So in this video we will learn how to see live database in our laptop. So first you need to have a SQLite database project. So in this example I have this PDF project that I have created in my PDF series. So first let's run this. Here you can see the project is running and I have one table and that table has some values and that value we can see here. Okay, so if we want to see the values in the laptop screen, then we need to follow some steps. So first step is go to the Gradle file and here we need to write one code implementation com.facebook.statho statho 1.5.1. So this is a Facebook library that is statho and we can use this library to see live database on our laptop. The second thing, we need to go to the main activity and here in the main activity on create we need to write one line of code. For example, here but before writing anything we need to click on this sync now. Now sync is complete, so the line is statho dot initialize with defaults and here put this. Okay, so using this single line of code we can see. So the next is run this project. Here you can see again our project is running and this is the database. Now the next is you need to open Chrome browser. So after opening this Chrome browser, just type Chrome colon inspect. Okay, then press enter and here devices and here you can see the device that is Asus X00TD. This is my device that is connected and here you can see PDF SQLite. So just click on this inspect and here we have our database. So this web SQL, just click here, then this is the database name that you can see here in my project. So this is the database name, my database, and the table name is my table. Okay, so same you can see here, my database and my table. When you will click here you can see all these values in this table. Okay, so these values are matching with this value. Now let's add one another value. So back and here this is the phone number. Save and print. So value is saved in the database. Now here we can see this is the value that we have inserted, and here we need to click on this refresh, and you can see the value is here. Okay, so this is a small trick that we can use to see live database in our laptop and computer while developing any SQLite related application. So if you enjoy this video, then please hit like button, and you can also write your comment in the comment box below. So thanks for watching. See you in the next. Till then, bye.